One is David from Trainday, and today I'm going to show you how to import your Canva projects as PDFs into Trainday and use them for your employee training courses. So here we are at Trainday. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and we go to courses, and we want to import a presentation, right? So now let's go to Canva. I have this presentation here that I created, right? Just a couple of slides. What I want to do is export this as a PDF, right? PDF, right? Download that, top. Now back in Trainday, I'm going to click on import presentation. I'm going to bring in this PDF. This is the one we want to use. And now it's going to create our Trainday project from this PDF. And then we'll add our presenters, add some scripts, possibly translate some stuff, and maybe add a quiz. So here we go, training presentation. And here are our slides in Trainday. And of course here, you can add your own text, right? Or you could use the AI prompt, right? So let's say, write a greeting for our play training session, right? Click create. Yep, and we have this one. Let's add a presenter.
Hello, I am here to make your...
There we go. We'll just go ahead and generate the slide with captions. And you could always clone yourself, clone anybody on your team, use them as a presenter. And you could do the same for the rest of the slides here. So thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you build with your Canva presentations and Trainday. And I'll see you next time.